Welcome back everyone to another video on this channel. This time we talk about where do you see your previous runs on the Apple Watch. So that kind of depends, right? Because on the Apple Watch directly, you can only see the activity for the day. So after a certain point of time, like tomorrow, you will not be able to see the run or anything that you are doing in terms of activity on your Apple Watch. However, it is all stored on the iPhone. So when you go to your iPhone, you can get inside of the activity or fitness app, which looks exactly the same as on the Apple Watch with the three circles. So you can look up the fitness right here, and this is the application where you can see it. And in here, you can find the summary of your activity rings and step count and distance. But in the sessions right here, you will see the history of all of your runs and every activity which you tracked from the Apple Watch. Every type of workout will be stored in here. Also, it's going to be shown like sorted based on a time. So you're going to be able to see everything and check out also the distance of running and every single thing which kind of goes into it. So that's how you can see your previous runs tracked with the Apple Watch on your iPhone. As you can see, this isn't my main Apple Watch or main iPhone, so I don't really see anything in here, but obviously you're going to be able to see it once you finish some workouts. So that's how it works. If you really wanted to see that on your Apple Watch, there are also some apps which can, like third-party apps, which can get access to your health and activity data and could also show them on your Apple Watch in complications. And, you can see an app like this, but it is usually paid. It's not really that useful if I'm being honest. So do whatever you want, but this is kind of how I would personally navigate it. So that's it. Hope you found this video helpful. For more questions, let me know about them in the comments. But thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe so you never miss tutorials like these, and I'll see you in the next one.